Good evening, everyone. My name is Kat Hawley. I'm a meteorologist from the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York, and tonight I'm going to be providing you with an update of what's going on with this winter storm that is moving into central New York and northeast Pennsylvania tonight. This briefing has been updated at 3:30 p.m. on Monday, January 23rd, 2017. One factor I want to bring up is the uncertainty there has been for the whole evolution of this system, and that has been the precipitation type. And precipitation type is highly dependent on the warm air or the cold air that is aloft. And so, one major difference from the previous forecast is our snowfall accumulations that we expect now from the storm. And that is because the system has slowed down a little bit, the cold air is slightly a little bit different, and now we're expecting more warmer air aloft over northeast Pennsylvania and portions of the Pocono region as well. Thus, we expect more sleet and freezing rain over the Poconos in northeast Pennsylvania than we expected prior. Another thing that we've changed is that we have a slightly different idea of when we expect the heaviest snowfall to move into the region. And we've also added a slide providing to you of when we think the heavy snowfall will move into the region. If you'd like more information of our winter storm warnings and advisories around the area, please go to our website at weather.gov/BGM. The combination of sleet, freezing rain, and snow will create extremely dangerous travel conditions. So if you have to go out, please drive extremely cautious. If not, please stay at home till the storm is over. Also, there may be some power outages as wet, heavy snow with gusty winds will create some problems in some areas. An area of rain, freezing rain, and sleet is slowly moving across northeast Pennsylvania this evening and central New York. This area of precipitation will continue to lift across the area through most of the evening. Now, around 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., most of the area across central New York and northwest of the Poconos will start to see a transition of this wintry mix over to snow and sleet. Now, if you live over northeast Pennsylvania and in the Poconos region, you will most likely see a combination of freezing rain and sleet through most of the morning. Now, by late Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, most of the area will start to transition to all snow. Tonight, the area will be pretty windy. We'll see winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gust up to 30 from the east, and temperatures will continue to fall into the upper 20s to mid 30s. Here is an image of when we expect the heaviest snowfall and where we think the heaviest snowfall is going to be. The area in red is where we have the greatest confidence of who's going to see the heaviest snowfall and who may have the highest risk for power outages. The area in yellow has the next best chance of seeing heavy snowfall and possible power outages, and the area in green has the lowest risk of seeing the heaviest wet snow across the area and has the lowest risk for power outages across the area. However, though, they may see much more accumulations and ice because they have a much higher chance of seeing more freezing rain and sleet through the night. This is our latest snowfall forecast for our area. Notice in the western portions of our county warning area, we have on average of 6 to 8 inches of snowfall, and in some locations of 8 to 12. And on our eastern side of our county warning area, on average, we have 4 to 6. And the further you get into northeast Pennsylvania and southeast, on average, it goes to 3 to 4. There are still a lot of uncertainties with the storm system. As I mentioned at the very first of my presentation, there's still a lot of uncertainties of the air aloft, if it's going to be colder, how much the cold air is going to move into the area, is it going to be warmer? However, if the cold air does make it into the region, this is the snowfall that we could see over the area. Some areas could see on the higher end of 14 over Cortland. Elmira could see up to 12 inches of snowfall. Binghamton could see around 11 inches, and over northeast Pennsylvania can see up to 9. This is what we expect in ice accumulations across the area. This is our total ice amount that we have forecasted for. If you would like the latest and greatest information about the weather, please go to our website at weather.gov/BGM, or you can follow us on your cell phone at mobile.weather.gov, or you can follow us on social media with Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Thank you very much and have a great night.